Hello, you're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to English News Broadcast. I'm Bersa Betakhle. Let us start with the major headlines for today. 29 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in tests carried out today. Activity assessment meeting in southern Red Sea region. Thousands left homeless as rain causes floods in Bolivia. Wind-driven Colorado grass fire destroys hundreds of homes and displaces thousands. On the local news, we have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 29 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at quarantine centers and testing stations in the central, Ansaba, and southern regions. Out of this, 20 patients are from testing stations in Asmara, central region. 6 patients are from quarantine center in Karen 1 and testing station in Ilabarid 5, Ansaba region. 3 patients are from testing station in Ad-Ayih 2 and Dakamhara 1, southern region. On the other hand, 15 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Central 14 and Gashbarka 1 regions have fully recovered and have been discharged from these facilities. Sadly, a 75-year-old patient from Central region has passed away due to the pandemic. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 7,746, while the number of deaths has risen to 76. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 8,011. Ministry of Health, Asmara, December 31, 2021. The Southern Red Sea region conducted an activity assessment meeting of 2021 on 28 and 29 December in the port city of Asab. Speaking at the meeting, Ambassador Mohammed Saeed Mantai, governor of the region, said that in 2021, encouraging activities have been conducted, including supply of potable water to all subzones in the region and replacing old water pipelines in the port city of Asab. Ambassador Mohammed Saeed also said that a reinforced effort will be conducted to reduce the death rate of mothers and infants during delivery. According to a report represented at the meeting, in 2021, 11 schools have been constructed and a number of health and educational facilities have been renovated and have significantly contributed to developing service provisions. With ample rainfall distribution in 2021, encouraging development has been registered in the agricultural sector, including vegetables and fruits farming, as well as poultry and fishing, the report added. Ambassador Mohammed Saeed Mantai also said that in 2022, priority will be given to combating the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, expansion of social service provision institutions, both in quantity and quality, as well as developing productivity in all sectors. Potable water project worth 3.3 million NAFA put in place in Ad-Qarat administrative area, Torona subzone, has been inaugurated. The project includes installation of 2-kilometer-long pipeline as well as 1 reservoir and 2 water distribution centers. At the inauguration event held on 19 December, the head of economic development in the subzone, Mr. Isa Tesfamariam, congratulated the residents of the administrative area and stakeholders for the contribution they extended for putting in place the potable water project. Ms. Fuadu Iyop, administrator of the administrative area on her part, called on the residents to make judicious use of the project for its sustainability, indicating that in the past they were compelled to travel 3 hours to fetch water. The residents expressed to contribute their part in the safety and sustainability of the project. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in Torona subzone organized vocational training to 114 youths in the subzone. Mr. Abraham Tesfamariam, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch, indicating that the training that included beauty salon, satellite dish installation, and other is part of the training programs the union branch is organizing to develop the overall capacity of the youth and enable them improve their livelihoods. Commending for the training opportunity they were provided, the trainees expressed readiness to develop their capacity through practice and improve their livelihoods. Do stay with us for international news after the short break. Welcome back. At least 3 people have been killed and thousands left homeless in Bolivia after weeks of heavy torrential rains caused massive flooding. Peru and Bolivia declared a state of emergency. The worst hit areas are La Paz, Santa Cruz, Cochabamba, Tarija, Cucuquisaca, and Pando, where rivers burst their banks, flooding farmlands and residential areas. Rain and mudslides have also severed roads in the region. The swiftly spreading prairie grass fire was believed to have been ignited by sparks from power lines and transformers toppled by high winds on Colorado's drought-parched Front Range, according to Boulder County Sheriff Joe Pele. According to reports from the Boulder County Emergency Management Office, evacuation orders were first issued for all residents in the town of Superior, Colorado, with a population of about 13,000. And a short time later for the adjacent municipality of Louisville, home to more than 18,000 residents. Within hours, the blaze had swept an estimated 647.5 hectares and destroyed more than 500 homes. According to the county sheriff, there are reports of people missing and no deaths, but 6 people were treated for injuries from the wildfires at the UC Health Hospital in the neighboring city of Broomfield. Authorities said forecasters called for diminishing winds late on Thursday or early today, which would enable firefighters to get ahead of the flames and for water-dropping helicopters and airplane tankers to be deployed against the blaze. And now a reminder of today's major headlines. 29 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in tests carried out today. Activity assessment meeting in southern Red Sea region. Thousands left homeless as rain causes floods in Bolivia. Wind-driven Colorado grass fire destroys hundreds of homes and displaces thousands. That was all for today. Thanks for watching.